Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Here is your sneak peek video for our special Monday fire sale. So let's get right to it. Fire sale on 8/31 sneak peek video. Number 1 is a pair of purple floopy sandals, size 9, $10. Number 2 is a Serenoma slipper, size large, $10. Number 3 is an LED strip set of 4. You get all 4 of these boxes for $20. It backlights your TV. Number 4 is a back seat organizer for only $5. Number 5 is a bad dog speaker. Bad dog. It's a cool Bluetooth speaker for $20. Number 6 is a really cute crossbody bag teal purse for $15. Same exact kind of purse up to number 7 for a brown purse, $15 for that one as well. Number 8 is a floopy gray pair of sandals, size 8, $15. Number 9 is a boxed earring set. It's got a pair of hoops in it, and they are $9.25 and gorgeous. So those right there are going to be
$40.
$40. Thank you. I couldn't remember what I was saying. All right, so those are $40. Number 10 is a pair of pink water boots, size 7, $20. Number 11 is a pair of floopy gray sandals, size 9, for $15. You get this whole box of baby wipes for $12. Or sorry, $15. It's number 12. Number 12, $15. Number 13 is a pair of Sperry glasses for $35. Number 14 is a pair of floopy black sandals, size 9, for $10. Number 15 is a pair of floopy purple sandals, size 10, for $10. Number 16 is a pair of Serenoma blue slippers, 9/10 is the size, and I have 2 pairs of them for $10 each. Number 17 is a pair of floopy, really cute dress pewter sandals. 7 is the size, $10 is the cost. Number 18 is a pair of polka dot floopy sandals, size 9, $10. Number 19 is a pair of muck-luck slippers. The size is 9/10 for $10. Number 20 is a Duramax boot, pair of boots, zipper boots. They are either men's size 6 or women's size 7.5. They are $40 for those. And then we have number 21 is, I call it the baby coffee machine, but it's basically a formula machine called a baby Brezza for $100. $100. It is fully intact and all there. Number 22 is a Serenoma pair of brown sandals, size 8, for $10. Then we've got a box of black t-shirt carryout bags. They're called t-shirt bags just because I think of the fabric, but they're basically recyclable grocery bags. You get the whole box for $10. Number 24 is a pair of Avia gray shoes, size 12 wide, for $30. Number 25 is a JBU gray sandal, 9 medium width, for $15. Number 26 is a pair of X-ray brown shoes, size 13, for $30. Number 27 is a designer gnome home made by our local artisan. Everything is natural, $70. Actual pine cones, actual rocks. It's all made out of the gourd. It's amazing, very intricate, one of a kind. Designer gnome home, $70 for number 27. Number 28 is a pair of X-ray tan shoes, size 13, for $25. Then our big bopper for the sale is this Nikon D5600 camera. We're charging $600 for it. It does come with an extra lens and a camera bag, so we can actually pull everything out if it doesn't get bought too fast. But we originally thought it was going to be $700. We decided, no, let's give them a deal, $600 since we're selling it through Hooked on Pickin. But the Nikon D5600, feel free to look it up, see what they're actually going for. You'll get a deal here. Number 30 is a pair of Olivia Miller yellow size 9 shoes for $20. Number 31 is a pair of Henry Ferrera black shoes, size 10, for $20. Number 32 is an X-ray white pair of shoes, size 11, for $30. Then, of course, you guys love these. These are the birdhouse gourds with a wax coating on them for $20 each. $20 each is all we're asking, and they do have little holes in the bottom to drain the water. And he did tell me they are good for about 15 years outside. Number 34 is a Franco Vanucci pair of brown shoes, size 8 for $25. Number 35 is a pair of 925 cute silver hoop earrings for $30. Number 36 is an X-ray pair of shoes, size 7.5 for $25. Number 37 is a Santino Luciano, a pair of black shoes for $12. So really nice pair of Oxfords there. They are size, did I say? I said $12, but they're $30. Sorry, size 12. $30, size 12. All right. We'll display them, get them ready for tonight. All right, then we have number 38. We're going to pull one of those out.
They look just like 39, but they're brown.
Okay, so it's a brown pair of, number 38 is $15, and it is a size 7 brown sandals. Number 39 is a Haut Edition pair of teal sandals, size 8 for $15. Number 40 is a Betsy Johnson sandal, size 11/12 is how they have the sizing, $15. Then we have an amazing, let me just hold it up. Comes with a little hanger. It's an amazing gourd fairy home with feathers and sparkles. Awesome, isn't it? So this is going to be $40, made by our local artisan again. Number 42 is a Gino Vitale pair of blue shoes, size 9 for $30. Number 43 is what's called a Whoville gourd. It looks just like the Whovilles from the Grinch story, but it is also a birdhouse with the holes in the bottom, but it's specially painted to look like a Whoville character, and so that is $40 for that birdhouse gourd. So it takes him a little bit longer to make those, so that's why it's a little bit more. Number 44 is what he calls the Happy Tree, and it does have little fairy lights on it. I don't know if I'll turn them on later, but similar to the fairy lights you saw on the other tree, but this one is a large Happy Tree, $40 for this one. One of a kind. Number 45 is a memory foam pair of slippers, 9/10, $20. Number 46 is a French chic blue pair of shoes, 10.5 is the size, $20. Number 47 is a pair of Olivia Miller black shoes, size 9 for $20. Number 48 is a pair of Olivia Miller girl shoes, size 4 for $15. Number 49, let me move these out of the way a little bit, is a Little Tikes Ride-On toy for $40. That number 49, and it is all there and brand new, just the box has a little bit of shelf wear on that. Number 50 is 2 sets. You're going to get a 2-pack belt bundle. Extra large is the size, 42 to 44. You get 1 brown belt, 1 black belt. There's 2 sets available. Okay, number 51 is a Style & Company Peach Top, size 1X for $20. Number 52, these are baby milestone blankets, or those blankets that you lay out, take a picture of your baby every time they grow. They're $10 a piece, and we have got 6 available. Number 53 is an International Concepts INC 1X top, pink in color, $20. Number 54 is another International Concepts size 3X black and white top for $30. Number 55 is a medium belt set, so you get 2 belts in this one as well, size 34 to 36, $20. Sorry, did I say it was number 55? Okay. Number 56 is one, it's an Instant Messenger flamingo shirt, size 3X, $10. It's kind of a tank top, really cute teal. It's got a big old flamingo on it. 2 of them are available, size 3X. Number 57 is a Karen Scott pink top, 2X for $20. Number 58 is an International Concepts INC purple pair of shorts, 2X for $20. Number 59 is a black and pink set of plus size leggings for $10. Number 60 is a red t-shirt, extra large. What that says something really funny on it, so we'll have to see on the fire sale. Number 61 is a black t-shirt that says something really cool too, size large for $10. Number 62 is an Alfani 18W pair of pants for $30. Number 63 is a Hot Shapers size large actual t-shirt for $15. Number 64 is a men's size large shirt bundle for $20. Number 65 is a bra and panty bundle. The panties are size medium. The bra just says free size. Not sure what that means, but I think it's kind of an adjustable size. For $20, you get all of them. So you're going to get all these bras and all the panties together for $20. Number 66 is a men's 2XL, a 3-pack of shirts for $30, really nice dress shirts. Number 67 is our famous Farmer's Toothpick for $5 a piece. There'll be 6 of them available on this fire sale. Number 68 is a 5-pack of slime, various different kinds of toy slime. So if your kids love slime, here you go, $10 a piece. There'll be 4 available on this sale. Number 69 is a Styling Company 1X blue and red top for $20. Number 70, of course, you guys love these things. We've got some more In the End Jesus Wins signs, $10 a piece. There'll be 4 of them available. Number 71 is a nostalgic wooden toy set. They're in those boxes, but it's got really cool nostalgic toys. You'll get to see 4 of them available, $10 a piece. Number 72 is a Styling Company tan pair of shorts, 18W is the size, $20. Number 73 is a JM Collection extra extra large blue top, $20. Number 74 is an International Concepts black top, size 3X for $30. For $35. Number 75 is a 2XL set of 4 pair of yoga pants. You get all 4 pair for $40, so $10 a piece, not too bad. We have 2 sets of those available. Number 76 is a Angelina 2XL tops. They're long sleeve tops. You get all, I believe there's 6 of them there for $45. Number 77 is a cool pillow that will match any decor for $10. And then last but not least, you get this cool, nifty, gorgeous looking swim cover up for $15. So hopefully you find something fun on the fire sale and you are able to get some awesome things. So we will see you tonight, Monday, August 31st at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for the fire sale. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.